So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening, guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm your financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is going fine on your side, and like always, you are ready to learn about a new strategy. So, the name of the strategy is already visible in the description parts. So, the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about is a kind market. But before we'll initiate the conversation, before we will kick off this session, just a quick piece of information. Comment section is already active for you. In case if you will be finding any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me there. At the same time, I just want to confirm if my audio and video is clear so that we can kick off the session, because if anything is required to be fixed, I'll try to fix it as soon as possible so that the rest of the session will be smooth enough. Okay, so let me check it with my device also. My device is showing everything perfectly fine. So we will hardly wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will be starting this session where we will be talking about different aspects, like how to apply this strategy manually, automatically. Then a few important topics where traders are not focusing much, which we call risk management, money management, goal settings, take profit, stop loss, how to make it, how to follow these psychology, so that whenever you are making some profits, of course you should increase it, but whenever you are making some losses, so at least you should be able to focus on that, how you can eliminate that. So we will try to cover everything. Of course, apart from that, if you will be having any another doubts regarding trading, traders, I am keep on repeating my one thing, that if you have any concerns regarding trading, then this could be the best option. You can have a conversation with me. You can write me in the comment section, and then we will be Filmy ji, I am so sorry. I wish I could help you with the personal one-to-one session also, but I am taking care of these YouTube sessions. But I can do one thing. I can align you with the financial analyst. Like, we have a team of a number of financial analysts, so I can align you with someone else. This is something which I can offer you, and I am sure that you must be taking some sessions nowadays. You must be having your personal analyst. Brahmdevji, hello. So traders, as I can see that you have already started commenting in the comment section, so please confirm me if my audio and video is clear from your end also, so we can start this session. And traders, the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have, that is the browser version which I have opened in my laptop. Of course, there might be some traders, those who must be using the mobile application, so the interface might be different. But one thing I can confirm, that everything whatever we need to apply this strategy, everything is available there. Investing USD पीछे हो तो और आगे हो तो इसका opposite क्या होता है? Investing USD पीछे हो. Moji, I didn't got your question. Like, you are asking about that USD in the back side or in the front side. Like, what exactly you want to ask? Brahmdevji, thank you so much for your confirmation. And Neeraj says deposit is taking a lot of time to credit. I'm so sorry, sir. Just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with that. Okay, Heman Sahuji is saying that today loss only, no profit. Hemanji, I'm sad to know about that one. Just let me know if you are using any strategy. USD का opposite क्या होता है सर? Like, whichever currency pair you are using. Like, if I talk about USD, I'll type USD here. Oh, sorry, it's UDS. So you can check different currency pairs are there. I will try to explain that how exactly it works, but before that, let's kick off this session. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. And before kicking off, I just request you, please make sure if you are new to the channel, be part of the family, subscribe the channel, so whenever we will be coming live next time, so you will be able to connect with us. Okay, so without making any further ado, let's kick off. Okay, so traders, the strategy which we are going to talk about, the name of the strategy is Kind Martin, as I have already talked about, I have already mentioned. So how to apply it, let's talk about that first. So there is a tower, bottom, the last button is known as technical analysis. The window screen is going to be something like that one. Just go to the strategy part, start scrolling down, and the last strategy of advanced level is Kind Martin. Now those traders, those who are on starter level and thinking that okay, it's an advanced level strategy, so that either that would be paid for us, or we need to buy it, or that is not going to be unlocked for us, wait a second. Yeah, you heard it right. Just wait a second. I will be explaining that how you can apply it manually. Okay, so just stay connected, just stay calm. I will be explaining everything, because this is something I am always taking care of, that if I am talking about any technical, majority of the traders should be eligible to use it. So once I click on the strategy, a description video is there, then description is mentioned here also, and what technicals we need to use, we need to apply, that is indicators parabolic with the frequency of 0.02, MACD with the frequency of 7, 14 and 5. Once I click on enable, here we go. So everything is visible on the screen. Let's make it a bit more easy to understand. So some few people are using like an area chart or something, but I am more comfortable with the line. Okay, so the reason behind that, I believe that that is more easy to understand, that when there is an intersection of MACD line with the zero line. Okay, set of rule is going to be remain same whether you are using line, histogram, area chart, whatever you want to. Okay, now this piece of information for those traders, those who are using those who want to apply this strategy manually. So all you just need to go to the technical part, go to the search bar, no need to go to indicator, oscillator and spend time there. Just look for parabolic, click here, 0.02, 0.02, boom. Let's look for MACD also. So I'll just type in the search bar MACD, and there we need to make some changes, because by default in the strategy is 7, 14 and 5, but in system it's 12, 26 and 9. No worries, let's make it as per our requirement. 7, 14 and then the last one is 5. We will be hiding this one, and you can observe everything is exact same. It's a Xerox. Click on these three dots, save strategy, next, and your strategy will be ready to be used. Whether it's paired, it's logged, no need to bother about that. Okay, so now let's talk about that how this strategy works. It's a very easy strategy, and this strategy is also very close to my heart. The reason behind that, this is the first strategy which I have used or I have learned when I started my career, so I am very fond of that one. But traders, it's not like that. Like if somebody is my favorite or Kunal is liking something, that should be your favorite also. You should be considering only the trade result. If you are able to make profit, good to go. Okay, just keep on commenting. I will be taking care of your comments. Please do not spam in the comment section. I will be helping you. So your balance is my dream. Keep blowing my account on wrong timing. I wish, sir, like you will be having more than my trading account balance, and I wish that you will stop doing over trading. I will be guiding you that how you can stop that one. Just stay connected, I will be guiding you. And there are a few comments which were there in the past. I haven't talked about that one, so nothing to worry. I will be coming to those also. So, like this is something which I just strike in my eyes, so I just talked about that. Now let's talk about the strategy, how exactly it works. So first we'll talk about the parabolic SAR. So parabolic means these small pink dots. These what we call parabolic SAR. It's a trend reversal tool. So how exactly it's working? If you want to memorize it, let me help you with an example. So if you want to push something down, so you will press it from the on the upward direction. So if these parabolics on the upper side of the chart, so they will try to push the market down, or they will be stating that market can go into the downward direction, and this is the example. At the same time, if you want to pull something in the upward direction, then you will grab it from the bottom and then you will try to pick that. So this is some it's like your hands, and when they are below the chart, so they will indicate that the market can move into the upward direction. So it's a very easy to understand. Parabolics on the upper side, market can go downward. Parabolic at the bottom, market can move into the upward. At the same time, we will try to get the second confirmation from the MACD itself. Whenever there is an intersection of MACD line with the base level 0 in the upward, market can move into the upward direction. And at the same time, if the intersection is in the downward, market can move into the downward direction. we will try to grab both the confirmation at the same time. If we are able to grab it, of course, that could be the signal from where you can open your position. Suggested trade time frame and chart time frame. I know that it's also an important question, so let me answer that also if you have that doubt. So suggested trade time frame for this strategy, suggested chart time frame for this strategy is 1 minute, and the suggested trade time frame for this strategy is 2 to 3 candles. If you increase the chart time frame, why I haven't said 2 to 3 minutes, reason behind, in case if you will switch the trade chart time frame, I'm so sorry, not trade time frame, chart time frame, from 1 to 2 minutes, then 2 candles means 4 minutes, 3 candles means 6 minutes, and that's how you are going to calculate. So far, if you have any doubt regarding how to apply manually, how the strategy works, anything, just drop me a comment. I will be coming to that. Okay, so now what we will be doing, we will be doing some live action, we will be doing some live trading, but before coming to that, a few points to be considered. First one, traders, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital in a single trade, or do not start making investments without learning. First thing. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I have taken in the past. Everything is depending on my skill set, my strategies, my practice. I will be responsible for that one. And even though we are going to take a live trading session, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can observe the screen and you can open the chart in the platform also, so you will be able to find the exact difference. The reason why I am telling you that thing, so please traders, please avoid doing copy trading, because if I am going to open a trade at 6:30 and you are going to open that same trade 6:30 plus 30 seconds, so of course that is going to make a difference in the result, and that can lead to a negative results also. So I just want to focus on the strategy, learn about that one, and then you can dive into the live trading, because this session is live for next almost 40-45 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. So that is the reason that I request you, please just focus on the learning part. You can use it later on. Okay, so let's start the trading session. We will keep on shuffling our cards. We will keep on shuffling the different assets, and wherever we will be getting any signal, we will be taking a trade. Okay, just stay connected. I will try to give you some more insights, more information about that, like my experience, whatever I have used while using, or what is the set of rule which I am following while using these strategies. Just stay connected. Let me keep on guiding you. We are quite late, but let's try our first trade. So the confirmations are there. So first parabolic is there, second parabolic is there, then the intersection from the MACD line is also there. Now some traders might be thinking that, sir, why you have taken a trade for on the basis of second parabolic? Let me tell you. So if the chart time frame is less than 5 minutes and the trade time frame is less than 10 minutes, then we will be considering the second candle as a confirmation and we will be opening a trade. At the same time, if the chart time frame is more than 5 minutes and trade time frame is more than 10 minutes, you can consider the first parabolic also as a confirmation. So you can open your position on the first parabolic also. Even though US market is about to be open, so we can expect some sudden volatility. There might be some negative results also, so nothing to bother about that one. Okay, so we took one trade on stable. That was like when I just started the session, so that was a no profit no loss. Okay, and at the same time the compound, okay, no, this is a trade which I have started prior to this session, and one trade I have taken on Euro USD that went positive. Nice. Okay, this Euro USD OTC trade for 1 minute that went negative, and this one is also looking negative. No worries, no worries. So we will keep on trying. Okay, so there is a sudden volatility. Market started moving downward. No problem. So we will keep on shuffling. We will keep on checking different assets, and we will keep on taking some trades. Traders, I might be using back-to-back trades. I might be opening back-to-back trades, but for you, there are no such compulsions. You do not need to bother yourself with that one, because I need to show you that how exactly strategy works. But for you, there are no such compulsions. So Just take one trade, wait for the result. If the result is good, nice. If you want to increase the amount, you can use your money management. If the trade was negative, you should use your risk management. So these are the practices which you can follow. Okay, so first parabolic is already there, so we will be waiting for the second parabolic. At the same time, if we will be finding the intersection of MACD with the zero level, we will be opening our position. I don't think so, like MACD still didn't intersected it, or we can do one thing. Let's take one trade with the help of the RFT, because it's already 6:46. US market is about to be open, so we can expect some market volatility. And traders, this is my suggestion to you also. So whenever like US market is about to open, or you can take a quick break from 6:45 to 7:50. Just try to analyze that if the market is working in the same manner, if everything is streamlined, everything is going fine, and this technical which you are using in the from the morning itself still behaving in the same manner. So that is the approach which you can follow. We can think about opening a trade here also. MACD also already intersected, and I'm just waiting for the second parabolic pair. Okay, hardly 3 seconds were there to go, but I have already executed my trade. So okay, so 2 trades are already in the pipeline. Okay, let's move to the comment section. Let's take some comments. Okay, so where we have left last, राधे राधे प्रहलाद कुमार जी, राधे राधे, कैसे हैं आप? हेलो मोहम्मद उस्मान जी. New asset, yes, Brahmdev ji, we have added a few more new assets. You can explore them also. Set of rule is going to be remain same for using any technical. So my deposit is pending. Spandan ji, I request you please connect with the support team. I believe that we had a conversation yesterday also. Just drop them email on support-hi@olymptrade.com. UTEO music ji, I'm sure that one day you will be having more than that one. I am having 13,000, somewhere around 14,000. I wish you will be having 41,000 one day. And also not that is going to be in dollar or euro. I'm not stating in INR, so I wish you will be having more than that one. I wish. कुणाल सर, मुझे टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट चाहिए पर कॉल नहीं लग रहा है. Prahlad Kumar ji, if you need some help, you need some guidance from the analyst, just do me one favor. Just share your trader ID, only trader ID, not your contact number, not the personal email ID. Just share your trader ID in the comment section, and do one thing. Make sure you write it in that way that is delivered to me. Because sometimes, like when you are writing something in the comment section, so YouTube is not making it visible, or that is not delivered to me, because it's sometimes it looks like it's a personal detail. So rather than facing that difficulties, just do one thing. Just share your trader ID, and I will try to reach out to you after this session. Or you can do one thing, like your trader ID is 1 2 3 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, you can make it like that also. So that will be okay. Brahmdev ji, we are glad. Okay sir, I lost 600 dirham. Farzan, just let me know if you are using any technical or not, like any technical you have used so far. I'm so sorry, I'm so sad to know about that you are making some losses. Just try to invest some time also, buddy. At the end of loss ही हो जाता है. Lovedeep Singh ji, see, it's not like that. Like at the end of the day, you are going to make loss, or everything is going to be compiled as a loss. Just try to work as per the plan. Make some set of rule, like whether you are going to make profit, then how much it should be. Whether you are going to make loss, how much you are going to make loss. So you should be having a set of take profit and stop loss, and then you should act accordingly. And Tor was is saying, भैया हमारा दुकान चीना. I'm so sorry sir, I didn't got your comment. Please just repeat it again. Gilbert again requesting connect with the support team. नहीं हो रहा है. Heman Sahu ji, what exactly the difficulty you are facing? Whether your technicals are not working, or you are stuck with the revenge trading and over trading. Just let me know. Just give me some information about that one. Devil ji, hello. Do you give free signal? So Desmond, Mr. Desmond Dillon, I am not giving free signal. I am explaining that how these strategies are working, so you can generate signals on your own. Okay, so trades were not positive. Let's try another approach. So we will increase the time frame from two candles to three candles. Very nice signal was there. Let's try if this one will work. Okay, so we were supposed to open our position somewhere on this level, but we are quite late. So let's see if it will go in our favor. Okay, let's try to explore more. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling cards, we will keep on looking for more and more opportunities, and wherever we will be getting any signals, we will be taking that trade. In the meantime, traders, if you are able to fetch any signal, if you are able to find anything, you can also share the same in the comment section. In case if that signal is visible, that is applicable, I will be taking trade on that for sure. Okay, so let me see, one trade is already in the pipeline. Okay, so it's a 3-minute trade I have opened now. Initially we were taking trades for 2 minutes, but unfortunately the same the strategy is not following the same pattern which it was following in the morning. So that is the reason that we need to just make some changes, and changes are not like that you need to make some changes with the frequency. All you just need to make some changes with the time frame. I believe that should be enough, but still, in case if any further amendments are required or any another further changes are required, of course we will be taking care of that one. MACD intersected below, second parabolic appeared, and the next trade on NZD USD OTC with the profitability of 91% is executed. Let's see how this one also go, and we are keep on shuffling, keep on moving to different assets. Okay, let's see. Mahajantram is not looking good now. Market just switched, but still we have time. Let's see how exactly it goes. NZD USD, it is looking in our favor so far, but we can still look for. Okay, then sir, please explain risk management. Okay, so devil risk management, if I'll talk about what exactly it says, whenever you are going to take a trade, do not invest everything in a single trade. That is the easiest form. Or it's like there is an old quote, do not keep all eggs in a single basket. The reason behind, if something falls, you will not be facing huge loss. That is something which we are following in risk management. Trading is not about investing money, it's about investing a specific amount at a correct time to make maximum out of it. But how we can conclude that which time is correct, when we will be making a profit? So that is the reason that whenever we are taking trade, what exactly we are following on, we are using our capital in such a way that we are able to use it for as long as we can. Because the basic rule of trading, what does it say? You can make money only if you have money. We are very close to that. No, we just missed it with a very small difference, very small margin, and now market is in our favor also. But no worries, we will keep on shuffling. The reason behind that, like if we would have opened the opportunity at the beginning of the candle, as I have already told you, and that is the reason that I have used the RFT also, so that if the trade will go negative. And traders, I am sure that you might have also understood the value of opening a trade on the correct time. NZD USD is looking good so far, but any moment there can be a market reversal or anything can happen, so we can't rely on something. We will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on looking forward for more and more opportunities. And in the meantime, where we were talking about the risk management, so what exactly you can do. So there is a possibility that you might be able to make profit in first half, second half of the day, third half of the day. So the best which I can do is use your capital in such a way that you are able to use the same amount throughout your day. By that I'm trying to say that rather than investing your 10%, 20%, 50% in a single trade, invest only 1% or even less than that one if you have a big capital. Okay, so NZD USD is looking very good, very nice, and here we go, boom. So the first profit of the session is already booked. So we can see NZD USD OTC with the profitability of 90%. We invested $15, $13.65 is already in our pocket. So here the Kunal made almost $13, $14. Okay, so let's try to switch to the another assets, and for now we will be following a 3-minute chart time frame, and we will keep on shuffling it. I'm not able to use a longer time duration because we have to conclude the trades within the session, but for you there are no such compulsions, trader. Of course you can use longer time duration also, like 2-minute chart time frame window, and a 4-minute or 6-minute trade also, so that is completely fine. Okay, so again I will start shuffling my cards, I will start shuffling the assets, and wherever we will be getting any signal, we will be opening the trade. Okay, let me take a few more comments. If the candle doesn't show the line, then sir, which line you are talking about? Guys gaming poke, which line you are talking about? Bro, I lost too much for that. I am so sad to know about that one, but just let me know that what is the reason behind your losses, like whether you are not able to use your technical, or you are not using any technical, or you are making some over trading or aggressive trading. Just give me some information about that. Okay, अभी तक इमोशनल कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है. See, Sameem Akhtar ji, this is the only thing where you have to focus like on priority, because see, it's a very common mistake which most of the traders are falling, or they are making, that they are not able to control their emotion. Okay, you have to work on that thing, and the earlier you will start working on that one, as soon as you will be able to get a control on that one, that will be helpful for you in the longer run. To be honest, when I started my career in trading part, when I started trading on the platform, so in the beginning I was also following the same thing. I'm used to make a huge capital, then wiping it off, again making a capital, then wiping it off. Within first 6 months, I have followed the same approach. I have done so much over trading. Then one day I conclude that I will be able to do it if I am doing in a proper manner. If I have a strict take profit and stop loss, only then I will be able to do that one. And overall, I have almost 7.5 years of trading experience. From there, I am helping my traders in their trading concern. And then I concluded that, like from that, after that 6 months, it's been almost 7 years, I am following the same approach, a set take profit, moving towards that one. And every day is not Christmas or Eid or Diwali or something like that for me. I mean to say, every day I'm not making profit. Sometime I'm making some losses also, and that is completely fine, that is completely accepted also, traders. Sometime you will be facing some losses, but if the loss is set, if everything is streamlined, if everything is planned, that is not going to affect you. So those who are taking sessions with their personal analyst, ask them, sir, just give me a trading approach, just give me a trading plan, that how we can use, like how I can set up a take profit or stop loss, and then how can I start moving towards that. They will be guiding you with that. And in the meantime, if anyone who is not getting any sessions so far and having no analyst, just let me know in the comment section. I will be explaining that. I would love to be your financial analyst. Okay, so another trade, let's go, let's take in the upward direction. Okay, so both confirmation, MACD intersected the base level in the upward direction, second parabolic pair. At the same time, there was a breach of this level also, so I believe the market should go in my favor. Let me do one thing, the market is looking quite aggressive, so I will open a new opportunity also on the same. Let's see if the market will go in our favor and if we are able to make some profits. Okay, so on USD JPY, there could be a signal sooner or later. Parabolic already intersected, MACD also intersected the base level, but that is quite early. But we can just stay on this asset, and let me take some more comments. Okay, Palaji, Kunal sir, कौन सी strategy आज इसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग को. Palaji, we are using Kind Martin today. So Kind Martin is the strategy where we in which we are using parabolic SAR, and at the same time we are also using MACD. Okay, so this is the strategy which we are using, or you can scroll it back also to get a glimpse that how exactly it works. Sameer Akhtar ji, I wish I could help you in the Hindi conversation, but today's session is in English, so I'm so sorry. If you are more comfortable in Hindi, every Tuesday and Thursday on the same channel we are conducting sessions in Hindi also. Basically on this channel traders, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. Yeah, true. So it's 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian. So like n number of languages are available. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you just join as per that. So you can do one thing, just subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect. If that language is suitable to you, you can continue hearing the session, you can join it, or you can leave. At the same time, in case if you think that Kunal, I am not available during that such windows, but I want to learn about that one, we really appreciate that you want to learn about trading, because every now and then I am used to say one thing: trading is not about investing money, it's also about investing time. So if you are ready to invest time, that is completely fine, we respect it. And as a reason, whatever the sessions we are conducting, we are keeping them safe, or we save them on the platform. Okay, so you can consider that, you can just explore the playlist and then you can find everything there. So these are the things which you can follow, and the best solution, I believe, like that could be the one that you can explore the playlist, so you will be getting a lot of information there. Traders, just give me a quick moment. So I just need to grab a quick opportunity. Okay, so let's go back to the quick window. Okay, so I'm so sorry, I need to reduce the trade time frame. Okay, so we have taken how many trades so far? Okay, so the crypto composite went negative, USD JPY also looking negative. So what exactly happened here? So we opened the opportunity here, but at the same time there was a volatility and market started moving to the downward direction. No worries. That was quite expected. USD JPY also, it is looking negative, and I believe it will go negative also. No problem. So we will keep on shuffling, we will keep on switching our assets, and we will keep on trying to fetch some signals. Okay, so to face hardly hearing, sir, just confirm me again if like my voice is low, because from my end system I have already checked, everything is streamlined, or everything should be streamlined. Okay, I trade 20 and earn 220. Very nice. So many congratulations for that, and I hope that you will not spend this money in over trading. Either you can keep it, but if you think that I will spend it in the over trading, the best solution which I can say, make a withdrawal. You can withdraw at least somewhere around like 180 or 190 and keep 20 or 30. If you wish, you can withdraw the complete amount, or at the same time you can keep like $20 or $30 in the trading account, and you can withdraw the rest of the amount. Because see, understand one thing, one logic: if you can make 20 into 220 once, of course that can be possible twice also. But at the same time, in case if the market is not working in your favor, if you will start making some losses, so max to max you will be losing 20 or 30. But if you will be keeping the complete capital in the trading account, or at the same time if you are someone who is getting stuck in the over trading, then that could create an issue. You might be wiping out your complete capital. So that is something which you can follow. Traders, I can see that there are not much comments left, so in case if you have any doubt, question, query, just let me know. Okay, Amir Patel ji, USD JPY OTC, let's see, let's have a look on that one. If USD JPY OTC, okay, so parabolic showed an intersection, there was a direction also, and there was a nice signal, but MACD didn't intersect at the previous level, so not quite sure about that one. Okay, so MACD intersected in the upward direction, but not parabolic is showing different approach. Let's keep on shuffling, keep on looking forward for more and more signals. Okay, so issue composite again is the last asset in our list which we have selected today. Okay, so traders, until and unless we are not getting any signals, what we can do, let me give you some, as I have already mentioned that we every trader is having their different set of rules. So let me share some my set of rules also. So whenever you are using any strategy, it's not only based on this strategy, any strategy, only one thing should be there, that it should be a Japanese candle based, or if it's a Heikin based, you can switch it to Japanese also. So these 3 points, specific points, can be considered only on the Japanese candles. So while using any technical, any strategy, you can follow them. So the first of them is always trade in trending market. Trending means either market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward, and sideways. Always avoid taking trades during these sideways window. As there is a quote, trend is your friend. Of course, Kunal is also your friend, but if I'll talk about the trend is your friend, so always take trade in a trending market. First thing. Second scenario, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you consider the formation of the previous candle. Now, n number of candle patterns are there. If you are not able to memorize it, or if you will start going to memorize it, it is going to take a lot of time. So let me try to keep the things simple, because I believe that if things are simple, that can make a better impact. So bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle could be considered as a nice candle. But traders, understand one more thing: these are just some technical based mathematical based technical tools. 100% accuracy is not promised at all. Okay, so considering that thing, do not invest your complete capital in a single trade. And I'm sure that you might have observed on my screen also, I have somewhere around 14,190.50, but still I'm taking trades with $15, $10 when I was using RFD. Then I increased the amount. Or you might have observed that I have taken one trade for $100, but I'm sure that you might have observed the trade time frame also. That trade is for 2 hours. That is based on some other calculations, but that is what exactly I am trying to say, that even though the maximum investing amount which I am using, that is not hardly even the 1% of my total capital which I have. The reason behind this is what we call risk management. If my 2-3 trades will go negative, that is not going to affect my psychology at all. I can bear that pressure. That is completely fine. If my $100, $200, $500 are going negative, that is completely fine for me, because I know that I have almost 14,000 in my trading account. So I will be able to recover it easily, because again, the same set of rule: you can make money if you have money, right? But at the same time, if I will face a negative result of $2,000 trade, that can affect my psychology, and that is the reason that I am not doing at all. That is the reason that I am not going to invest $2,000 in a single trade. And that same thing, the same approach we are asking you also, and we are expecting from you also to be followed. So another trade in Euro USD in upward direction. Let me show you. It's already executed. Let's see if the market will go in our favor. Let me show you the set of rule again. So both confirmations were there. MACD intersected the base level in the upward. Second parabolic appeared also at the bottom. So let's see how the market will react. Okay, let me see if any further comments. No more comments. So traders, if you are still having any doubt, any question, you can write me in the comment section, or just I can see that there are a few new names visible on my screen. So just tell me, like, from where you have joined, like which part of the country, or like if you are from some another region, or just mention your country name or mention your city name, because it's always exciting to know that from where I am sitting, and from where people are hearing me out. That always make me fascinate, or that always motivate me, that I am sitting in a different corner and I am trying my best to help my dear traders to improve their skills. Okay, so let's have some signals. Okay, Nothing so far. Market is quite slow. It's already 7 o'clock, 7:10. So US market is already open. Some sudden volatilities are expected and also accepted. So no worries, no worries. Let's keep on shuffling. Let's have a look if the trade now. Again, the market is not looking good. Market is not looking in our favor. Again, market started moving to the downward direction. No problem. And traders, see, this is something quite common. Like this is something which we can expect every now and then. Market can react in such manner because market doesn't owe you anything. There's one more thing also that we are used to say: market doesn't owe you anything. If at one moment market is giving you money, at the second moment it can start taking it back. So that is also depending on you, that how much you are taking from the market and how much you are giving to the market. Like sometimes traders are stating, sir, I made a profit of $200 and then I started making some losses, so I just wiped out the complete capital. So see, if you made a profit and after making some losses of $10, $20, $15, if you are going to stop your trading, that is completely fine. Nobody is going to tell you, or you are not going to receive any call, or there is not going to be any pop-up on the platform that no, you have made that much profit on the platform, so you have to lose everything or you have to invest everything. You can stop it then and there. You know the basic, what we call the it's a very thin line difference between a trader and a successful trader, because a trader know when to trade, but a successful trader knows when to stop trading. It's not about that how much money you have made. It's all about that how much money you have made and after that you stopped taking trades. That is the point which you should be aware about. Sometime what exactly we are focusing on, let's make a few more bucks, let's make a few more money, that is completely fine. I know that everybody is having some financial obligations to be met. Somebody want to recover their losses, somebody have some assets to buy, somebody want to give someone to someone special, so everyone need money. So that is completely understood. I'm not denying for that. I'm not asking you to not to make money on the platform. Please make it. This is the only motive everyone is having. But if you have a set of rules, that will help you in a better way. Because over trading is the biggest poison in the world of trading. We are keep on shuffling, but we are not getting any more signals. And at the same time, I can see that there are no much comments. So traders, just let me know. Let's try to make this session a bit more interactive. Just let me know from where you have joined, and if you have any strategy, any specific technical tools in your mind you want me to talk about, or you want me to talk about in the upcoming session. So just share your feedback, just share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's try to have a fruitful conversation. So whatever these are required from your end and whatever is expected from your end, we will try to cater that. I will try to focus on those things. Very nice signal was there, but we missed it. No problem. Yeah, I'm so sorry traders. So we missed like we were talking about three scenarios when we are using these Japanese candle. So first one, always take trade in trending market, do not take trades in the consolidation. Second one is always consider the body of the previous candle, after which you are going to execute your trade. Bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be a favorable candle. Now the third one, and the most important one, whenever the market is moving in any specific direction, let me show you with an example also. Okay, so let's zoom out this chart. Okay, so if you try to observe on my screen, so what exactly we can see, market was moving in the up, then got stuck here, then moved down, again stuck at the same level, down, again stuck at the same level, down, again stuck at the same level, down. At the same time, if I try to observe, so this could be considered as a support level. So what exactly I am trying to say, whenever market is moving in any direction, upward or downward, if market is getting stuck at a common point where it was stuck earlier also, if it is in the upper side of the chart, that we call resistance. If it is at the bottom of the chart, we called it as support. Any technical, doesn't matter whether the same kind pattern you are following or any another strategy, whenever the market is getting stuck with any of these levels, please avoid executing trade there. If you are getting any signal, just wait for that level breach or level bounce back. So what exactly will happen? If the market will breach this level, then market will try to move in the same direction for at least 2 to 3 candles. At the same time, if the market is stuck, market will bounce back. So what exactly I am trying to say? So just imagine that if you are going to get a signal here with the help of the parabolics and MACD, just stay calm. Do not execute trade. If you observe that, okay, this level was breached and the next candle is starting from the upper side of that level, then you can try to follow the signal. At the same time, if not, you can execute a trade in the trend reversal. Same with the below also, with the support level also. So if the market will breach that level, you can follow the trend, you can follow the signal. If not, if the market is getting stuck, you can take a trade in the upward direction. But you need to focus on one more thing. When you are taking trades on support and resistance, basically you should be quick enough. Let me show you, let me zoom in also to give you better insights about that one. So just give me a moment. So like if we'll take an example of this part. So if you will be executing your trade at the beginning of the candle, because if you observe, the second candle was also tried to touch this level. That was also somewhere in between. Like what exactly sometime happens. So you will be executing a trade here. The market will start moving downward and the market will start moving upward, and the candle will close somewhere on this level, just below, just in the upward direction from where you have executed the trade, because you executed that trade with a delay. But if you have executed on the beginning of the candle, then even though if the third candle or second candle will close here also, still your trade will close in the positive manner. After that, even though if the market will again try to breach that level or any another level also, that is a different scenario. But for that one, you need to be quick enough. You should be available on that specific asset, and then you should take the signal. You should take the trade at the same moment. Okay, so no more comments so far. I believe everything is all clear, but still, in case if you have any doubt, just write me in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one. Let me check in my device also. Sometimes if my server is slow or if it's stuck, so comments are not visible to me. Let me just have a look. Let me have a okay, so just give me a quick moment. Let me refresh my screen. Okay, so there is one comment from Rottweiler World. Euro USDT sell. Okay, so Euro USDT sell. So let's see. I'm not sure like if I have picked your comment on the correct time or if I am having a delay, but for now I don't think so. The market is not showing anything in that favor, but still thank you so much for the your comment, because everyone is trying to help me to make some profits on the platform. So thank you so much, traders, for for your consideration. I really appreciate that one. Let's take at least one more trade on Astro Composite Index in the upward direction. Two confirmations, and both the confirmations are already there in the pipeline. Let's try if this trade will go in our favor. And traders, we are still having almost 2 to 4 minutes. So in case if you are having doubt, question, query, you can write me in the comment section. And let me tell you, explain one more piece of information. I'm not sure that if somebody understood what exactly the conversation I was having with Mr. Prahlad. So what exactly we were talking about. So we have a team of consultants, like analysts. So like me, we have a team, we have a very big team, so in which we have so many analysts, those who are going those who are here to help you in your trading concerns. Let me explain how exactly it works. So once you reached on the expert level, we are reaching to you and we are aligning you with our financial analyst. These analysts are having 7 to 10 years of experience or even more than that one. So they will be sharing their screen, talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you with all your trading concerns. At the same time, these sessions are going to be one-to-one, so in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can ask them there. Third thing, and the best part, I hope I will be receiving so many interactions, what we call reaction on this information. I'm sure that you will be excited to know about that one, that whether you are going to take one session or 1000, all these sessions are going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to me or any of the analysts. Yeah, you heard it right. So these sessions are going to be free of cost. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. And at the same time, okay, so Astro is looking good in our favor. Yeah, so for that one, you just need to be on the expert level. In case if you're on the expert level, make sure you have updated your contact number on the account, and that you can just go to the profile section and you can update your contact number. Please avoid sharing your personal details in the comments. Just update it over there. In case if you think that you missed the call because that was with the +44 number with the international number, so that call moved to the spam, or you missed the call, or you disconnected the call, or because of any XYZ reason you are not able to update the contact number, or you were on expert level but now you are on starter level or advanced level because of any XYZ reason, let me make it more easy for you. So just do me a favor, just connect with the support team and share your query there. Just tell them, sir, I need some help in trading, please raise a callback request, this is my trader ID and this is my contact number. That's it. Once you will raise that request will come to my department and we will come into the picture. And it's almost 5 seconds to go, and I believe Astro Index is looking good, and here we go. Very nice. So another $12.75 to Kunal. Thank you so much, everyone. So if anybody was wishing for my profit, thanks so much for that. Okay, so just connect with the support team, tell them that you need some guidance in trading, please raise a callback request, so that will come to my department. Someone will come into the picture and we will align your session. And again, I'm repeating myself, these sessions are going to be free, so I wish you that start trying to improve your level on the platform, try to reach to the expert level, because for now this service is only for the expert level. Whether you are currently expert or even in the past also, still we will consider if you were not able to avail that service. If you are on advanced level, you can take at least one session in a month. But so this those traders, those who are on starter level, I suggest you try to take positive trades, because behind every trade you will be getting some XP points, and those XP will help you to improve your level on the platform. So it's a free service. I wish that everyone will be taking benefit of that one, and they are getting all their concerns sorted, and they are getting as much as information to make their trading profitable. Because education or information is not having any expiry. If you will learn something today, I'm sure that is going to help you tomorrow, day after, or afterwards. So make sure you invest some time also. As I've said these things multiple times during my sessions, trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time also. Prince Kamaji, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for that. Astro Index sell. Astro Index, let's have a look. Thank you so much. So I can see that some traders are working as my well wishers, so they are trying to make me some profit. Astro Index we can think about, but not on the basis of strategy. That is going to be on the basis of this resistance level. So you can observe market stuck here also. So let's try if the market will touch the maximum level. I want to take one trade for 2 minutes also, but for that one I will increase my trade amount. Okay, so market was stuck somewhere here. So let's see if the market will go in our favor and whether we will be able to make some profits or not. Market was stuck somewhere, so I believe the market should bounce back. But if this candle will close green and will breach this level, then we will try to take another trade in the upward direction for 2 candles. We still have that much time, so we will try. So traders, I believe that you enjoyed today's session. Today's number of trades like which we executed, those were not that good, like we were not able to make that many profits, so that is completely fine. I completely accept that, like things were not in our favor. So I'm sure that you might be also facing such results, some difficulties like that one, so you should be considering that part as well. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure whatever the technicals, whatever the strategies you are learning, make sure you use them on your demo account, you practice it first, and then you start taking trades on your live account. Okay, and it's not only about that you will take 5 to 7 trades or 10 trades and then you will conclude whether that strategy is working for you or not. Open at least 70 to 100 trades and then conclude whether that strategy is working for you or not. Okay, so you need to focus on that part as well. Okay, so these 2 trades are looking negative. 3 trades, sorry. So if this trade will go positive, we will be covering everything whatever we have lost so far in today's session. So traders, I hope you had a good session. You got all the required information whatever you were looking forward. In case if you miss something or if I miss any comment, I'm so sorry for that one. In the meantime, I request you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be connecting again or we will be conducting any further session, you will be able to connect with us. So I request you, make sure you follow that our channel. And in the meantime, this was your host, your financial expert, your friend Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. Thank you so much for your comments, and again, keep earning, keep learning. Make sure you invest enough time so that you will be able to crack out on your market. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much, traders. Bye bye, take care, cheers.